Hello everyone. Welcome today. Yes, in the daily newspaper of Friday. Yes, it's almost weekend. Friday, December the 17th, 2021. Yes, let's start the countdown again. 2 weeks to go. 14 days. We have the New Year's Eve, and the week before, next week, it will be Christmas Eve. So, yeah, told you the last days or weeks in December, it will be very quick. But first, we'll solve these two regular Sudokus. We have a Sudoku Light and a Sudoku Heavy. And I have no good news again. Because in this newspaper, let me show you, no extra puzzles. No additionals. Well, let me see in my archive. Do we have more old puzzles? Well, I found one. So here we have no extra puzzles. So what I will do is I will solve these two puzzles. But I found one in my archive. We have here edition of December the 10th. Yeah. Week ago. 3 puzzles left. Letter Sudoku, 2 stars. And a tectonic. These I will solve after these two regular Sudokus. First Sudoku is a Sudoku with the Sudoku Light, yes, not with stars. Alright, this will be number 3841. 3841. Before I start, I always count up printed digits. Well, this one has 36 printed digits. We have 9 big squares. Each big square has 4 printed digits. So 9 times 4, 36. Alright, so let's get started. We have a 1 in this first column, 1 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. Alright. Okay. So we have a 2 in this column. 2 in the last column. So the column between, the only place left for the 2 should be here. 2 in this column. 2 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the first row. 2 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this row. 2 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. Oh, forgot to count with the 1. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 1. And all the 2s are used. I can see. Digit number 2. Alright. Let me see. Yeah. Let me continue with the 3 then. 3 in this row. 3 in a row below. So in the last row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 3. Okay. Well, let me see with the 4. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So the last column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 4 should be here. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 4. Alright. Okay, let me continue with the 5. 5 in the last row, 5 in that row. So in the row between, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So the last column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. This is number 5. Alright. How about, can I do the 6? Let me see. Ooh, it will be difficult. But let me try. Okay. Should be not easy with the 6. 6 in this row, 6 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8. We have 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 6 goes there. So we have a 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in this column, last column, 6 in that column. So in the column between, the only place left for the 6 should be here. Yeah. Now it will be difficult to continue with 6. Let me think. 7. Well, cannot continue with the 6. Need to wait. How about these two numbers in this big square? For numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 8 and a 9 is missing. 7 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Well, we have a pair. 7 and a 6 in this column. 7 and a 6 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only two places left for the 7 and a 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 7 and a 6. 7 and a 6. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in this row. 6 in the row below. So the last row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. This is number 6. Number 6. How about the 7 then? 7 in this row. 7 in the last row. So the row between, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the third column, 7 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 7, number 7. All right. Well, one number left in this big square for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 8 in the last column, 8 in that column. So the column between, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So the row between, the only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. This is number 8, number 8. And we have here 3 boxes left. Should be the 9. 9, 9, 9. Finish in 12 minutes. Yes. Let me check. And here also a 9. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 9, number 9. Yes, completed. 12 minutes. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later. Later with the second regular puzzle. A heavy one. Well, this will be a heavy one with 24 printed digits. I saw that earlier. Well, see you then. Bye-bye for now.